No.
When
Almusal lang yan. Almusal lang yun. It's part 1. Breakfast. I have message. He said, "Bud." Okay. Thank you. Yeah. But guys, don't allow here, okay? We are just a hot mama, but we are still.
spicy girl.
We are still. What is that? Proper mom. Proper mom.
We are hot girl because now
Then
it's,
some.
summer.
Hide him. Yeah, hide him.
Who
Hide
will I
him.
hide?
Hide him anywhere. La la la. La 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 la. Thank you for the love and for the support. Ay, just go. I better to stay in the one.
Red carpet, you know?
Yeah, really?
Carpet, yes. Carpet. We are in the red carpet.
Thank you, guys. Where are you from? You are Hong Kong ako. Bornis. Nasa Hong Kong din ako. Oh, nasa Pilipinas ka. Nasa Hong Kong ka din. Gotta go. Ano nangyari? Sakit ng mukha ako ah. Amelia. Then? Huh?
Thanks guys, bye.
Sammy, you're from Europe.
Jonah!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nasaan na si Jonah? Jonah, nasaan ka na?
Guys, bad comment and propose not allowed. This is live stream, otherwise I take action. Oh, thanks my friend. May kausap siya. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, wait a moment. What happened? Yeah, that's so very, very great of you. Thank you for the protection over there. Ay. Thanks, Mike. What you have for dinner? Oh my God, it's dinner again in your place. Ay, ang ganda dyan. Ay, I'm sorry. Oh my God. They're making picture. Eunice, hi. You are from Norway? Oi, Sami. Ay, taray. Ay.
No, any 1, 2, 3, oh?
Yeah, why? I like that. Me too.
Wait, cheaper. Safe. Wait. More.
Mom, get mo ako. Ay, dahil get mo ako. Maganda ba yan? Get mo. Picturean mo ako. Pabawi mo lang sa ano ko. So hot.
Yeah, so
It's so hot. Faster naman, lock up naman yung ngala-ngala ko sa'yo. Ay, you're not finished.
Ako din.
Sure.
1, 2, 3. Pero dapat ayusin mo yung mga picture.
Yeah,
Hindi
whatever.
ng pindot lang.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Go faster. Because I'm doing live. Oh my God. Tagal. Minsan lang ako magpa-picture pa.
Minsan na.
Yeah. Hi guys, shout out. Here actually my real name is Sammy.